Good morning class 8. This is your fourth video of chapter number 1. Today we will learn topology. What is the meaning of topology? The physical arrangement of components such as computers and its peripherals. Peripherals means printer, CPU, UPS, keyboard. Okay. All the peripherals and cables. Cables means twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, any type of cable you can use. Required to set up a network is called a topology. Okay, got it? There are 5 types of topology. First is bus topology. All the devices or computer or nodes on a bus topology are connected by one single cable. All the computers or nodes or devices are connected by one single cable. This cable is known as main cable or backbone. Okay. The nodes are connected to the main cable called drop cable. When one computer sends a signal up the wire, all the computers on the network receive the information. If one computer is sending information, sending signals, so all the computer will be receive information. Okay. But only one access the information. The rest regress the message. Rest computers will regress the message. One computer can send a message at a time. Only one computer send a message at a time. A computer must wait until the bus is free before it can transmit. Okay. When the signal reaches the end of wire, it bounces back and travel up the wire. Again bounces and travel up back all the information. Okay, so this is your bus topology and this is your main cable or backbone of cable. Okay, and these all your nodes. Okay, and these nodes are connected by cable. It is your drop cable. When one computer send request, so it will be sent to all these computer, all the computer get information. Okay, so this is your bus topology. Now advantage of bus topology. The bus is a simple, reliable and a small network, easy to use and understand and easy to install. Requires the least amount of cable. Okay, least amount of cables we use in this topology. Connect the computers and less expense. It is not more expensive. Okay, easy to extend the main cable. If we want to extend main cable, so easily we can extend, and we want to add more nodes, so easily we can add more nodes. Okay, got it? Now second is star topology. In this topology, all the computers are connected to central connection called hub or switch. Okay. So student, in this topology, we are sending all data into hub or switch or connector. The data is sent to any other computer. First goes to hub or switch. Firstly, our data will be goes to on hub or switch. Then it direct to the desired computer. Okay. So this is your star topology. See everyone, this is your connector or hub or switch. Anyone which you want, you can say. Okay. So all computers are connected. So all the data firstly goes to the hub or switch or connector. After that, redirected computer will be get your data. Got it? These all your nodes and this is your connector or hub. So now advantage of star topology, easy to add or remove workstation. It is also called workstation. So easily we can add workstation or we can remove. Okay, there is no problem. It is easily installing. It is easy to troubleshoot. If one node has any problem, any connection problem, any network problem, so we can remove that. So it is easy to troubleshoot and isolate problem. Okay. Now disadvantage of star topology. More cabling is required. Okay. In this topology, more cabling are required. And second is most important disadvantage, the failure of hub. If your hub is failure, then all entire network will be break down. Okay. No client's computer, no nodes will be work out. Got it? Now third is ring topology. Its name suggests every workstation is connected in form of ring and has 2 neighbors. Okay? To communicate on. The data or messages travel in unidirectional, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. This network consists of a set of repeaters. Each repeater is connected between two workstations. You can see this is your ring topology, and the ring has two neighbors to communicate with each other. Okay, and this work in unidirectional, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and both workstation has one repeater. And repeater, what do repeater amplifies your network. If your network is weakened, that it amplifies your network. Okay, got it? Now, advantages of ring topology. Cable fault can be easily located. Easily we can found cable fault. Okay, thus making troubleshooting easier. Okay, any type of error we can found easily. Ring networks are mostly easy to install. Easily we can install ring network. Okay, there is no problem in installing. Now, disadvantage of ring topology. Failure in cable break down the entire network, and adding or removing of any device requires rewiring. If any cable is break down, then entire network will be failed, and we have to, if we are adding or removing any device, require again rewiring. We have to again rewire starting. Okay, rewiring again, new rewiring we have to do in this network. Okay, thank you, student. Next topic we will be discuss in next class. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.